It's kind of like you're going to dinner with your friends and you're discussing a book. So you have your menu of just like what you would eat. You also have a menu of what you're going to talk about. So the first thing that everyone is going to be talking about, your appetizer, is what was your favorite part of the book and why?
I really like the part when Junior got onto the basketball team because I really like the coach. Like, he's a great character.
Then you get the option, let's get into the main course. Let's get into the meat of it.
In the book, Junior talks about how being poor affects him, and because he is poor, he's depressed, and because they're all depressed, they don't have hope.
I heard a few hot takes on the book, and I do appreciate a hot take in your own opinion on a book. I think that having opinion, be it strong, be it something that might be controversial or something that others might not agree with, is key. So being able to form opinions about, yeah, this was great or this wasn't great, is something that you are going to have to be able to do.